Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce the Buffalo pressure cooker. As you can see, here are 8 quarter, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 35. The 35 quarters pressure cooker is made for commercial use. Therefore, it comes with the optional accessory, which is the pressure gauge. You might wondering if we can use the pressure cooker for canning without the pressure gauge. The answer is yes. Since you hear the pressure regulators whistling, the pressure is go up to 12.8 psi. It's about 240 Fahrenheit. Today we are going to use 20 quarters pressure cooker as an example to show you how to use the pressure cooker for the canning without a pressure gauge.